Good morning or good afternoon, friends. I'm here today to show you another quick tutorial on how to set up access to your online account. Many of you have been successful in gaining access into your online account via www.bookaspot.org, but some of you may not have access to your account, but do not worry, I am here to show you how you can access your account so you can save your spot for your next workout. So what you want to do first is super simple. You want to head over to your web browser and you want to go to YMCA of Greater Providence.org. Excellent. And then here on the top of the screen, you just simply want to click My Account. And if you scroll down a bit, there'll be three boxes that'll show up. What you want to do is you want to click the second box, which says I want to set up online access for my account. So what you do is you'd simply click on Find Account. And you would just type in your information. So let me type in my information here. Excellent. And then we're just going to simply hit Submit. Great. And it says here we just need to enter the email address. So what you would do is you would just enter the email address associated with your account. And if you're not 100% sure if you've used an email address that's a couple of years old and it's not letting you get access, do not worry. Feel free to call your local YMCA. Our representatives are willing and able to give you a hand in identifying the correct email address on file. So I'm simply going to type in my email address here. Hit Submit. Excellent. So it'll say that the login information has been sent to info@gpymca.org. So I'm going to hit my inbox here, and it looks like I have an email. It's from businessadmin@gpymca.org. And perfect. It says click the link below to start the password reset process. I'm just going to copy and paste into my web browser. So I'm just going to think of a password here that I can remember. Perfect. And for good measure, we are going to log in just to see if our setup has worked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to X out, and I'm going to go back onto our web page under my account, but this time I'm going to click I want to sign into my account. Just want to make sure that I was able to get access. I'm just going to type in my email address and my new password, and I'm going to hit log in. And perfect, here I am. And from there, what you can simply do is head on over to www.bookaspot.org, where you're able to use your brand new login information to save a spot for your next workout at your local Y. We'll see you soon.